I want you to check this out. This video I have pulled up here has over 65,000 views, 107,000 watch hours, and 547 subscribers. But how much has YouTube actually paid me for all of this? Looking at my channel over the past year, I was actually surprised at how much my channel made. But it had me questioning, is it even worth it to keep going? So today I'm going to be going over what YouTube really pays small creators, from low performing videos all the way to videos that blow up and do really well. And I'm gonna go over how much money that means for a full year of monetization. So if you wanna have a successful YouTube channel, you might wanna take a look at this because it might not be what you expect. So I'm gonna go over like 6 important things. The first thing I wanna go over is how much the initial video made. I'll do the first 24 hours of this video so that you guys can see like how much it actually grew from what it was. So this is my first video ever. The first 24 hours I got 13 views, which is actually not too bad for a first video. And I got 0.3 hours of watch time. And I'm going to tell you right now, most of those were me because I really wanted to see how this would grow and do. But now as time has gone on, and now it is 2026, you can see I got 26,000 views from my first video ever. And I got 400 hours of watch time and 200 subscribers. And the revenue I made, $5. Not too bad, but also not too great. Honestly, for your first video, you probably won't even get this much success. This was posted in 2022 and now it's 2026. So this is after 4 years. It's got 26,000 views. So that is a 4-year period window, roughly, where this has had time to grow to get 26,000 views. And if we look at how many views it's getting today, it's doing okay. It's getting 16 views every week. Every month it's getting around 89 views, which isn't bad. And every year it's getting about 1,700 views. So out of the $5 I made $2 just this past year. But that was also because initially I got monetized not too long ago, which I'll go into now. Now, I believe I got monetized back in June, like the end of June. And it took me a few weeks to actually start making money. And as you can see here on this chart, the first amount of money I made, my first day, was $2, which was crazy. I was like, whoa, I made $2. And this was back in 2024. So I've been monetized for about 2 years now. But if you look at when I started this channel, it was way well before that. 0 subscribers, April 13th, 2022. This is when I started this channel. So it took around 2 years to actually get monetized. Now that's a full 2 years. I was posting not that consistently. I wasn't doing every week, but I did every other week a few times. I had some points in there where I uploaded every day. There were a few times where I fell back and I posted once a month. And even sometimes I went 3 months without posting. But as you can see, that made it take a little bit longer for me to get monetized. It took me 2 years. And even if you do post consistently every day, it doesn't mean that you will get monetized in that amount of time. Sometimes you get monetized faster. Some people get monetized in 6 months. Others get monetized in like 4 to 5 years. It really just depends. It also depends on your niche, because if you're in like finance, health and wealth, stuff like that, you probably will make more subscribers because that's like a core thing that people want. As for me, I do color grading videos, and it was kind of like just a side thing, filmmaking throwaway, which does relate to money and also creativity, but it's not one of those core 3 pillars that in business they always talk about: health, wealth, and relationships. Those are the 3 core. So if you do one of those, you're probably gonna grow quicker than I did. But yeah, for me, I'm just creative, so I did a creative thing and I wanted to teach people. But now, as you can see, I'm at 6,267 subscribers currently. And that is from 2022 to 2026, so around 4 years now, just about. But that's around how long it takes. And the next thing I want to talk about is how much do low earning videos get you? Because if you make a video and it flops, like, are you going to get any money from it? And I'm going to go to like one of my lowest viewed videos ever. And as you can see, I'm not even going to show the title of this video because I think it performed really bad, but it's got under 400 views. It does have a decent amount of watch time, 6.7 hours of watch time, which I'm actually surprised about. I guess people really liked this video once they clicked on it, at least. But the earnings that I've gotten till this day, this was uploaded also in 2022. Worst video probably ever. It got me 1 cent. So if your videos flop, expect to not get much from it. Like, even when the videos get higher, it's hit or miss, but this is like 1 cent. But it's a 1 cent that actually does help. Even though this video didn't perform well, around 400 people watched it. And if 400 people got value from it, that is worth it to me. And it just makes you think like, okay, at least some people appreciated this and got some value out of it. Was not the best video. And now that I've showed you what my lowest video made, I want to show you what my highest video made. This is the one that I talked about at the beginning of the video. Over 60,000 views. Did really, really well. This is my best performing video out of anything that I've shot. Most of my videos that do perform well, they're still at 40,000, so this is 60,000, this is above that. And this video was made in 2023. So the most viewed video, recap, 66,000 views, over that, 1,700 hours of watch time, 547 subscribers, and the estimated revenue of this video, the video that I said in the beginning, my best performing video ever, has now got, drumroll, $63. Yeah, $63. Not terrible, but definitely not good at all. Like, if we got 100,000 views, that'd be $100, which I feel like that's a little bit off from other people. And the reason this is because probably one for my niche probably doesn't make as much as finance or health, fitness, things like that. Those drive more money, whereas something creative and as small as color grading is not going to do it. Is it the worst of the worst? No, there's some that are worse than this. But this is also pretty bad. This is like $1 per 1,000 views, which isn't great. And on top of this, YouTube is taking a cut, but also like with taxes and whatever, the amount of money you actually get is a little bit lower than what this number says. At least in my experience. I don't think I get exactly what this number says. So, kind of not great. And you may be thinking, oh, this is why he's saying like this might not be worth it. It completely, totally could just be ruined from this. Like, if you're planning to just do YouTube to make money, this could discourage you a lot. But there is a bright side, and I will talk about that just in a minute. But before I tell you the bright side to all of this, how many videos does it actually take to get to this point? We see that I have 6,000 subscribers. If we look at the views for the lifetime of this channel, it's 560,000 views. That's where things start looking better, because just that one video was 60,000 views. I have 500,000 more views that I got from other videos. So how much have I made based off of all of those videos combined? Just one video, it's not going to give you a lot. But if you have a lot of videos and they're performing pretty well, you can get a good amount of money. Right now, I'm not even at that cap. I'm $500,000 in, but I still am seeing some rewards. And obviously these have come the past 2 years. It's not just 1 year. It's the past 2 years that I've made this much. But how many videos did it take for me to get to this point? Currently, I have over 100 videos. I made my 100th video, just my past video, and now I've made 101. So I have one more video that I made after that. So 101 videos to get to the point I am now. Monetized, good amount of subscribers, decent views, but how much have I made total from this whole channel, everything up to this point? Well, that would be $504. Now, again, not the best, but hey, I made $504, which I wouldn't have unless I started this. Obviously, the work to get here is immense and is way worth more than $504. If you were to take that time and go to a regular job, you would make way more money. If your goal is to make money, just get a second job. That's basically what YouTube is. You'll make way more up to this point than I have now. But this also has the potential to be so much more. This can grow into something greater to where you could be making money just from your past videos and not have to worry much about uploading. You can get to that point. Is it hard? 100%. But could it be worth it? Yes. There's something even better about YouTube that I think a lot of people don't talk about, especially when it comes to finance and stuff like that. You're not just doing this to make money. You do this, 1, because it's fun. 2, because you're helping others. With this channel, I wanted to grow my knowledge as a colorist, and I wanted other people who were interested in color grading to also learn with me. And I feel like I've grown so much more teaching people than I would have if I didn't teach people, because I was just so enthusiastic about this. And now I have something where it's helping other people, even if it's not helping me right now, and it might never help me. This might never get to the point where I get to just be like, okay, I'm making a lot of money. But it is helping people, and I think that's rewarding in itself. And to think that 560,000 people have watched my videos, like, that's amazing, but also kind of scary. Like, that's so many people that you can basically, you're telling them and teaching them how to do something. It can be scary, but it's also very rewarding because you can share your ideas and help other people grow, which most people don't talk about. And even though this number of how much I made, I'm not happy with it, I'm sure you're not happy with it. If you're doing YouTube not because of the money and just because of this, just because you're passionate about something, go for it. Because even if you don't do well, you'll have fun making it. Sometimes it can get stressful, yes. Sometimes if you treat it like a job, it'll get really stressful. But if you're just doing it for fun, you could make one day extra money on the side from it, and that would be really cool. If you do want to treat it like a business, you have to do a lot of time in pre-production or just planning. And nowadays, usually I would say it takes a team. Because editing, recording, doing everything yourself is really hard. So the final thing I'm going to leave with you guys is, if you have an idea, go for it. Don't hold yourself back, even if it fails. Because this could be technically called a failure. Even though it's done really well, financially, it's a failure. But if you trust yourself, if you know what you're doing, if you practice, be consistent with yourself, you can make something really special. And that's what I think this is all about. And if you are into getting into YouTube and you're wanting to record yourself and you don't know where to start, I would suggest watching this video that I made about recording yourself with no gear. Literally, I used my phone and my camera, no tripod, nothing like that. And I would recommend watching that video because it will ensure to inspire you to create and be creative with whatever you're doing. So try it. Goodbye.